Hey guys, welcome to N.A.G Garage. So, I came back from vacation about 12 hours ago or so. I needed to get away a little bit, had some good time with some good people. But back to reality now. So, I was gonna order the 5th gen motor when I got back, but there was a little hiccup in the road. I can't find any that I had saved. All of them sold, so I have no place to order it as of right now. So I got a couple companies that I'm looking into that I'm waiting for their containers to come in, and then I can order them from there. But as of right now, I don't have a company, so instead I bought all the parts that I needed for the 5th gen for the red car that is currently on our YouTube build. But as of right now, just kind of wanted to keep you guys updated. So all the parts ordered, gonna have those in maybe in the next week or so. So I'm hoping to then by that time find either a motor or I get a call saying that there's some 5th gens that came in, and wait till then. So until then, I just wanted to give you guys a little update. This is Nasty Addiction Garage. Peace. I'll talk to you guys soon.